Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how we can upload this project file into GitHub repository. Okay, first you can go to create one GitHub repository in your GitHub URL. Okay, so this is the my GitHub URL which is I maintained here. Now I am going to be create one repository. Click on this add icon, go to this option. So here I am going to be given my name, that repository name Serenity device dcloud.com. So this is the my repository name which is I given here. So you can make it whether public or private, you can choose here. So now I make it public. So click on create repository button. So after click on this one, the repository will be created successfully. But this is the empty one. Still we didn't upload any files under this repository. Okay, now you can back to Eclipse. So right click on this project, go to System Explorer. So see this project file I keep on under local D drive. So this is the my project location path. Okay, right click on this project, so you can see the git bash here. So what is the git bash? So in my previous video I told you how we can install git bash. So I will tell you the all the procedure and instruction, everything. You can first go through that video. That time only you will be understand what is the procedure we are following after that. Okay, so after installation complete of this git bash, that time you will be see the option when you are right click on that project. Okay, so click on this git bash here. So after click on this option, you can see the project path, it will be updated here. Okay, so what is the first steps we are following here? So first step is git installation. So first we have to start the git. So after enter this command, you can see it will be successfully installation. How you can ensure this one? Go to your project file, which is I'm showing you here, right? Click on this project. See here the .git folder, it will be created. Okay, so this is the confirmation. Okay, so after that, what are the file you are going to be add here? You can give command git add space dot. So after given this command, it will be created that build grid. Okay, so this is the installation process for uploading all the project file. Okay, so after that you can give the git commit message, git commit. Yeah, so what is the message? Yeah, device maven files. Okay, so this is the message I given here. So your wish, you can give whatever. Okay, so after given this commit, so see, so what are the files it will be found under this project? Okay, it all the files it will be displayed here. Okay, so after that you can upload all the file which is displayed here. You are going to be upload in your particular repository. Okay, so what is the uh, keyword we are using? Let's go. So this is the important thing. So here we can enter git remote add origin origin. So after that you have to given your repository URL. So what is the path? So this is the path. So go to your GitHub. There you can copy this path. This is the your repository path. Okay, so after then paste it here. It will be pasted. So it will be successfully upload all the files. How we can ensure? First, it will be add that path. Now you are going to be push all the code in your repository. So what is the command? Git push origin master. So after given this command, see, this is the writing object 100%, it will be completed. So it will be done. So now your project files, everything uploaded successfully in your git repository. How we can confirm? Go to this one. This is empty only, right? Go to refresh. See all the files, it will be updated successfully. Got it? So this is the procedure we are following. Okay, now you can come to here. Here we can see that how we can commit, how we can pull everything I will tell you in next video. So this is the video basic things how we can upload all the files into GitHub repository. Okay, thank you guys.